this workshop basically meant for 3 outstanding things: to develop an improvement plan matrix for the concluded interaction review, a sustainability plan that will sustain the response, to update what we have currently, and to impute all the recommendations from the interaction review.
So in this workshop, it took us 6 days from Monday to be able to work in all the 11 pillars of response, to be able to revise the actions we've put in place in the last 2 years in responding to COVID. What were the lessons learned? How can we address the key challenges in order to better re-strategize our response in the coming years for it to be sustainable?